are the SteelSeries Arctis 3 Bluetooth, a headset a lot of people are sleeping on. I don't really know why. Maybe it's SteelSeries marketing. I just happened to stumble across these and now I'm in love. You know what else I love? Today's sponsor.
GVGmall.com is a great website that offers loads of different keys. They actually have some of the cheapest Windows 10 Pro keys that I've seen, around $16. However, use code YM18 at checkout and you're going to receive 18% off your order. And this brings the total price to under $14 before fees and taxes. You can check out PayPal so you know it's secure, and it's super simple to buy, view, and activate your Windows 10 key. But it doesn't stop there. They have Steam, Origin, and Uplay CD keys. Console players, they got you too with PSN and Xbox cards. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more info and use code YM18 at checkout.
Before we get into the design, the build, anything else, I want to talk about why I was so drawn towards these. Now you have two different ways of connecting here: wired for gaming and Bluetooth for everything else. You know, your music, phone calls, Discord. You get what I'm putting down. What's absolutely dope here is you can be connected to both at the same exact time, and it unlocks a shit ton of possibilities and is easily the highlight for this headset. For instance, this works incredibly well with the Switch. Wired for connecting to the Switch to hear your game, connect via Bluetooth to Nintendo's stupid voice chat on your phone, and there you go. Now, same goes for crossplay. It works incredibly well for that, almost like it was made for crossplay. Check it, I'm on PC, brother's on Xbox, I got a few friends over on PS4, so things were a bit of a hassle to voice chat. I usually end up using the in-game chat or playing with no game audio just so I can hear my friends. The very worst was earbuds in, connected to the chat app, whether that be Xbox or PS4, on my phone, and then a headset over that connected to my PC for the game audio. And yes, I know Discord is a solution. Problem is, console players don't have it, at least not for voice chatting. Now this is where the SteelSeries Arctis Bluetooth come in clutch, man. Wired for my PC game audio, Bluetooth to my phone using the Xbox or PlayStation app for voice chat, and there we go. Simple solution to cross-play voice chat that I've been searching for a very long time, man. Not to mention, when you're playing chill games like Rocket League, it's dope to be able to play all of your music that's on your phone over to the headset and have it, you know, work cohesively with the game audio. I know there's Spotify and things like that for console, but this just makes things so simplified, and I love it. There's one thing that just, it crushes me, man, because this headset is almost perfect, but they decided to use a proprietary connection for the wire. Now, it's not a deal breaker for me, it just blows. If the cable ever breaks, then it's gonna be a bitch to hunt down this wire, and it's probably gonna cost quite a bit too. I also hate the fact that the wire is on the left side of the headset. This especially sucks for PC players because the majority of us have our PC over to the right side. So we got this wire dangling across us. Minor thing, but annoys the hell out of me. Now, comfort, just as important as sound quality, at least to me. Now, these things fly past the finish line in the comfort department. Super lightweight, which is a good thing. After hours, I forget that I even have them on. Now, talking adjustments, there's really none here. I mean, the headband is a one-size-fits-all kind of design. Same with the ear cups, they kind of self-adjust. They don't fold in, but thankfully they do swivel, so you can feel like a esports player, you know, sipping your G Fuel and whatnot, while you have these things wrapped around your neck. It's also dope because when you lay them down, it keeps the outsides from scratching. Small detail, but I like it. Now, the ear cups are disgustingly comfy. The material is a soft fabric, which feels good to the touch. The padding is next level and does a good job at conforming to my head. Clamping pressure it's tuned just right, strong enough to keep, you know, the headset from sliding off when my head's rocking back and forth, but not too strong to cause discomfort. They've really nailed the comfort here. Now, the lightweight nature of this headset is due to the plastic design, but it's not a cheap plastic by any means. It's a soft touch matte plastic with a rubber-like texture coating. Trust me, they feel good. And because it's a matte finish, that means fingerprints are way less, and I'm all for that. The black on black design is sleek as a motherfucker, man, and it doesn't scream gamer which is perfect because you combine that with the Bluetooth and the hideaway mic, and now they double as a pair of headphones when you're out and about. Now for ports, on the left side, it has a lot going on. You know, microphone, micro USB for charging, headphone jack, the proprietary connection for audio, your volume wheel, and yes, bitch, that's a mute switch. Right side is naked except for your Bluetooth on and off button.
Now for the most important thing when buying a headset, sound and mic quality. Let's start with the latter. You be the judge. I think it's a good mic overall. Could be better. If you're after the best mic, then maybe skip these. The mic is clear with no noticeable hissing or clipping, which is all I really need. It is a little heavy on the bass, which if you're a girl might make your voice a little deeper than you'd like, but overall, I'd give the mic a solid 7 out of 10.
The sound of the Arctis 3 Bluetooth is also pretty good here. Not the best, but pretty damn good. Has a pretty neutral sound signature to it, more warm and just slightly favoring the bass. But what we all care about is sound positioning, and I'm happy to report it's a solid 8 out of 10 here. Can easily pinpoint where enemies are based off of footsteps and gunfire. The sides are the sweet spot with the front and back audio, being a bit harder to defer. However, going into your game settings, tweaking the sound profiles a bit can easily fix this. In Warzone, change that audio to boost highs. It really allows me to dial in those footsteps, and I can track dummies through walls all day long. I love it. Now, there's not much more to say about this headset. I've been raving about it for the past few minutes. If you want to check them out, of course, links down in that description. On your way out, like the video, maybe shoot me a subscribe, and hey, I'll catch you guys later.